How you doing, brother?
Hello guys.
Good morning. I'm at Ajmer train station and today I'm traveling to Jodhpur. Train this morning is a bit late. For the first time today, I'm taking the sleeper class. The most basic. The platform is so packed. I hope that the people here waiting are not all going on my train. I don't know if it is the tattoos or what, but if you look a little like me. A lot of people will approach you and talk to you. I'm sure most are just curious and want to practice their English. Some people came really close and I have half my attention on my valuables all the time. And I even had to tell somebody to back up a little bit. You should be able to say no in India. Most people have good intentions, but I'm determined not to be scammed or stolen from. I met this gentleman who's running this one station, one product store. He's selling the local products that are typical for the region around Ajmer. Sandalwood, jasmine. What's this called? Mogra? Mogra, that's really nice too. So I'm going with the Mogra one. It smells amazing. During the hour I've been here, the platform of the train has changed multiple times. We were told the train is 4 hours late. We were told the train is 20 minutes late. And now it seems like it's only 45 minutes. Let's see what happens. आप कहाँ से?
पंजाब से।
पंजाब?
जी, पंजाब पठानकोट।
Okay, ठीक है।
चैनल सब्सक्राइब करा दें।
I'll give you a flyer. Hold on.
You are it.
That's my link tree. So YouTube is.
YouTube पे मारना।
There you go.
मोहम्मद हसन।
Hassan.
Sabbir।
Sabi, cool.
मोहम्मद अली।
Muhammad Ali.
मोहम्मद अली।
Oh, that's the boxer. Nice. Cassius Clay right here. Checking out my flyer. Printed a couple of flyers I'm handing out to people so they can follow me easier. So when is the train coming?
250 overtime.
People just changing platforms, crossing the tracks because these bridges are so far away. Oh, that thing is cramped. So many people in there. There's people just entering from the track side. Wow. And the police is watching and doing the same thing. See a lot of spitting everywhere. Bathroom, the big bathroom. Meantime, dude is fixing the tracks here. Maintenance of the train tracks. Still waiting, chilling out with my friends here. Everybody's having a picnic, it seems. No one really knows when the train is coming. It's finally here. So loud! God help me now, man. It is so packed, oh my God. I might not get on that thing, it's too full.
V1 or V2 last.
S6?
S6 yes.
Wow. Good Lord. That'll be hectic. Trying to get in the train. Oh, Jesus Christ. 45 here? Cool. Thank you. I'm here. I got a seat. So this is me for the next 4 hours to Jodhpur. How you guys doing? So this is what it's like on a sleeper train in India. Stopping at the station, people are buying chai through the window. Bit of a longer stop now. It's a longer stop. People are getting out, getting food. Getting on the train was like somewhere between a panic attack and total surrender. Other than that, it's nice, you know. No AC, which I love. People are friendly but curious. Nobody is respecting your personal space. Silence doesn't seem to be a thing here either. People are engaged in social media very loudly on their cell phones. What's that? Cranking their socials with mostly mindless stuff, but yeah, at least people are friendly. If you want to pass anybody here, you have to go. You don't wait for people to get to the side. You just push them aside, basically. That's what everybody else does. This is me right now. Boys are gone for now.
Yes, sir. We are going also first time.
Oh yeah? I haven't been to Indore, but I heard of it.
You go Indore?
Maybe. Last stop before Jodhpur, Luni Junction. How you
I'm
doing?
Indians.
What's your,
I'm Pasho.
what's your name?
What's your name? Jitendra Singh.
Jitendra Singh. Okay.
हाँ.
And आप कहाँ से?
Kinsaria, from Kinsaria.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. Cool. Yeah, Rajasthan's nice.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan, nice. I like Rajasthan.
How to talk?
Yeah.
Huh?
Australia.
India?
India.
Australia? No, I'm German.
Germany.
Germany.
German, yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Right.
Guten Tag.
Yeah, good talk. Very good, very good. Let's go.
Jodhpur.
Sorry, brother. Jodhpur.
After Jodhpur.
Jaisalmer, yeah. What a crowd, man. Friendly people. So friendly. Sorry, bud.
The Indian Railways.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Indian Railways. Here we are. How you doing, brother?
Hello guys. अरे थोड़ा. Chai. Hello guys.
Hello. So,
A few moments later.
do you remember yesterday? Even the good old time forever. Are those memories? Alright, we're here. Welcome to Jodhpur. That took long, man. 2-hour delay. What
One selfie is going.
Jodhpur, yeah?
Jodhpur.
Where's the exit? That way, huh?
Sun City.
Sun City. These guys were so cool, so friendly. They are in the army, supposedly. Very curious. Everybody was following me. And I was actually playing a song on guitar in the coach for them. And everybody was cheering me on and listening. It was so funny, man. Definitely a lot more aggressive here, the cab drivers, than anywhere else I've been so far. But I haggled my way down to almost what I wanted. Good old Indian locomotive.